Hello friends, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ? Friends, our today's topic is motivation. In this lecture, I will discuss need hierarchy theory of Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow was a American psychologist. As a psychologist, he treated so many patients of depression, mentally ill people. And he comes to know why the people are ill mentally, physically, why they are in depression. And after studying all these, he formulated his need hierarchy theory. In his need hierarchy theory, he discussed needs of human beings, means what motivate a human being to work. For the first time, the need hierarchy theory, the concept of need hierarchy theory, he introduced in his paper in 1943, a theory of human motivation and personality. In this paper, he discussed that there are some needs of human beings which motivate him or her to work, and these needs occurs in a hierarchy. Once the first need is met, the second need arises. Let's see what are these needs. Number one, physiological needs. Physiological need means roti, kapda or makan, means hunger, thirst. First need of human being is physiological needs. He needs shelter, he needs food, he needs water. So first need is a very basic need, which is a important need, basic need for all human beings. Once this need is fulfilled, the human being reaches to the second need. The second need arises. It's number two is a security need. Security need means he wants security of shelter, security of food, security of water. Means his first physiological need is met, he need security for shelter, for food. So when the first and second need is met, the third need arises. The third need is a social need, love and belongingness needs. He wants respect in the society, he want to be socialized, he want to go to his friend, to go to his colleagues, he must be recognized in the society. This is called the social need or the love and belongingness needs. When this third need is met, the fourth need arises. The fourth need is esteem need. It means you have a small car, you need big car. You have a small house, you need big house. So esteem needs. Once the esteem need of a human being is met, the next need arises. The next need, fifth, is a self-actualization. Self-actualization means he has big house, he has a big car, he has a handsome bank balance, but he continue work. Why? Because he is a human being, he has to work for the sake of work, he has to work as a human being. So friends, this is the need hierarchy theory of Abraham Maslow. So the needs of human beings occurs in this hierarchy. First is the physiological needs, security needs, esteem needs, self-actualization. So what if any of these need is not fulfilled? The human being falls ill. He falls ill physically, he falls ill mentally, he will have a psychiatric issues. So friends, this is the need hierarchy theory of Abraham Maslow on motivation. Why a man is motivated to work, and human being have some needs, and these needs occurs in a hierarchy, and these needs are very important for the human beings. Thank you. ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ friends, ਮੇਰਾ ਚੈਨਲ YouTube ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ Instagram ਤੇ professor_Komal Singh ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ।